Okay, so we have this our LQ4 we pulled out of a Denali that it didn't run. It turned over and cranked, but we don't know what's wrong with it. So we're going to throw some oven clean on it. We're going to pressure wash it, and then take off the intake manifold and the heads, and see if we can see anything wrong with it, and go from there. So that's what we're doing. See if this one snaps. Gonna hold that up for me?
Yeah. Alright, well, as we said, there's a few snapped off already. There. Got
That one
side
should be
off.
easy to get out.
And we got that side off too. So. See the other side. Ooh.
Looks like an intake.
There's some leaves in there and some dead bugs. That's always fixable though.
It's under door number 1. We got some water in there.
Couple of drops.
We got the long schlong going on this one. Or maybe we just got water in through the intake. I don't know. We're all learning together. Yeah, there's water in this one.
Well, I think that might just seal the deal.
No, I don't know. I'm not sure.
There's some ground and there's some dirty stuff in there too. So
I don't know. Yep.
let's do it before and after on this one.
The lighting's awful.
Yeah, this. Okay, recording.
Okay, we'll put some
Lighting.
oil in the cylinders, and now we're gonna turn the motor over and see if
That's not right oil.
they're all okay.
That looks blue.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, they're moving. See any wear and tear? Just a little bit of gunk on the sides.
I think they're good.
Keep turning. See if you can fire it. Oh, don't get this one. It's gonna go everywhere. Now start turning the other way. Let's check this one.
What? Which one's making that grinding noise?
It's fine.
Oh.
Try again. I think it's just. Yeah. It's a little dirty. This one's dirty. They're all dirty. They're gonna need a wipe down, but the cylinders look good.
Saw it? Yeah. This one too. It's got scarring on it. This one too. What? You know what you're doing?
Nope.
Oh yeah, it's not supposed to be like that.
Oh, it's
Oh.
not connected. Ah, shit. Hey,
That's-
Jace.
Jace, look, timing's off.
The timing
The
chain
timing
snapped.
chain broke. The timing chain snapped.
Snap timing.
That makes more sense. Yeah. Jumped it too. That's funny. That's crazy, you know. It's probably those idiots that did all the work on it. Put a shitty chain in there.
Yeah, let's put it on though. Where's the cam?
Cam's behind here.
Yep. Alright, we shouldn't have that many loose parts in there though. So that's a plus.
Well, we're gonna have to pull the.
This supposed to move?
Probably not.
Yeah, we have a whole link in this machine.
Yeah, we're gonna pull the pan. Oh, there's a.
Now. Oh, the oil come through the top?
Uh-oh.
We're doing oil? Oh, shit, what's that?
Uh-oh. I thought we were good. Okay, so now we have no idea what we're doing, so now we're gonna drain the oil. The timing chain broke and we found this big old chunk of metal in it. We have no idea what it's from.
Yeah.
So we're gonna drain the oil, see what's in there, and probably take the oil pan off. But that's not supposed to be loose. And there's a lot of stuff that we have no idea. So let's do it. It's all left. All kind of looks like your face.
Just throw.
There you are. We go. Whoa. So much for a budget motor, huh? I'm gonna have to put all my life. I'm gonna have to break the piggy bank open. Not Charles. Come on, Mike. You're not gonna.
It's my key.
Cool. Why don't you just use a. Why are you using a 1/2 inch?
Because it's a lot easier. Shit.
Get the pan ready.
It's an oil bolt. You take it out with your fingies. Yeah. Here, record me. I'll get there.
Nope.
You got it?
Hey, don't rape my hands.
Watch out, it's gonna shoot like a mother.
Yep.
Here. Here, you record.
I'm just dropping the butt.
Yeah.
Wow.
Put the. Yeah, you got it.
Holy shit.
That's not good.
It's clear. Hey, what just happened, huh?
Spilled a little bit of oil.
Yeah, just a little bit. We're taking the oil pan off right now. See what's all in there. Alrighty, we just dropped the oil pan.
Big A freaking
So we found in there. That's probably not good.
metal piece.
Whatever this thing is, I don't know. But
That's
probably,
the pump.
probably shouldn't be able to pull that out of it.
That's crazy, bro. 7 horsepower. Ready?
Yeah.
Huh.
You know what the hell I'm looking at? It's pretty cool.
So, this is cool. I don't see any.
So any damage to the rods. That's cool.
I don't know. Turn them out.
I'm telling you. Because that broke anyway, so I'm guaranteed it's something that the chain hit. I guarantee the chain hit something.
Is it
and
that?
broke
It's
something.
right there.
Wait, what?
See it? It's a,
Yeah, it's broken, huh?
it's a crank.
Oh,
Yep.
that was a lot easier.
It's a lot smarter.
Yeah, a lot better than taking the hammer.
Yep.
Look at that.
That's crazy.
I don't think we'll have to get a new one. Turn it. Turn it over. Put the bolt and turn it over so we can get the rest out. I don't think we'll have to get a new shaft. I think that's just...
It's definitely cooked. What?
Got it. Well, that's what came out.
What are we doing? Okay, we just pulled the rods and pistons out, and you're gonna see if our block is shot. Bad. I don't know how to pull this out of here. Just put the tug, I guess. It's heavier than you think.
Cranks out.
I think it's pretty good.
This guy's got a bearing. This guy's got a bearing.
hell yeah.
Bearing. And
Is it bad? Oh, it looks scratched, huh? Oh, it's close though. Oh, it's scored.
we're gonna see about this one. I can't quite tell.
There's.
There we are.
Okay, this is the first time we've pulled a motor apart like this. So we really don't know what's salvageable. So these bearings these ones got cooked, especially one on the crank, the journal on that first journal on the crank down there. But this one has scoring. We're not sure if we can.
So we spun a bearing, right?
Yeah.
Spun a bearing. The bearing came out of here. See this? This one has the bearing in it. You guys can see in good shape. And then you look at, set that back. Look at this one. Spun a bearing, no bearing whatsoever, and it's scored on the block.
So we're not sure if we can.
We need to go ask a machine shop and see what's
machine it, or
fixable.
ask you if anybody in the comments knows.
Yeah.
We're rookies, so we have no idea what we're talking about.
First LS motor build.
Yeah, from the bottom up. We usually just cam them. We can't. You saw the last.
Cam and heads is usually all we've done.
We just cam them. We never took them out, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know. I'm assuming this crank's garbage.
Yeah, it's. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but bunch of scoring.
The whole thing, the whole bearing.
Really big grooves. So.
Yeah, so I guess the only thing left to do is either post a video and see, or take it to a machine shop.
But go from there.
All the cylinders good, decent for being a 120,000 mile motor that's sat in the lake, I think. So.
I think it's super good for that.
But our first budget boosted motor isn't looking too hot. Might have to start with another one.
We will see.
But yeah, we'll post this up. This will be the end of it. You see our motors.
Then I guess we'll talk to you guys and go talk to
We
machinists.
showed the pistons in the last one. But yeah, this will be it. We'll post it up. See if you guys can help us out a little bit. And take it to machine shop. See if we're screwed.